Hi, it's Ariel with Auto City in El Cajon, San Diego's award-winning used car dealership. This is a 2017 Mazda CX-9 in snowflake white pearl mica. With an auburn leather interior, this car has barely hit its stride with just 23,000 miles on the clock. I already like Mazdas and what they bring to the table, but this signature trim is so fully loaded that it makes a great alternative to the likes of the Audi Q7 at all. It's a really great car, and I'm going to show you around now. Mazda's flagship 7-passenger SUV is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with sport mode and Mazda's Sky Active technology. When paired with its 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission, the CX-9 delivers 227 horsepower, 310 foot-pounds of torque, while achieving 26 miles to the gallon highway. Impressive numbers for a car this size. All in all, she's no slouch. I mean, it's a pretty interesting car. It's not what you would expect from Mazda, although if you kind of know what Mazda's about, you do kind of expect this from Mazda. They do make pretty high-quality, high-end style cars. I like it. I like it. My sister has one of these. And it gets her and her family around without any qualms. Easy to steer, obviously. Oh, hello. Yeah, it really likes to take off easily without giving you the feeling like you're not going to be in control. Car has some really nice control to it. No control issues with this car. Always happy to see that. Really beautiful acceleration in this car. It handles like a smaller car and not like an SUV. You don't feel the weight of the vehicle when you're taking off. It's very light on the feet and very easy to get up to speeds like 40, 45 miles an hour. I'm not getting up to those speeds right now because I'm stuck in traffic. But, oh, traffic is cleared. Yes, really nice. It's still a big car, it's still an SUV, so you do have to watch your handling and be a little smart about it. But in a straight line, especially with the sport mode, it's tremendously pleasurable to drive. Wow, great stuff. See, Mazda is sort of the unsung hero of the auto industry. It's best kept secret, if you will. And this CX-9 with the signature trim is its grand high representative. For around the same cost or less than that of a Honda and a Toyota, you get unmatched value. You get an enthusiast driver's car feel. You get incredible style. You get architecturally pleasing interiors and all the comforts and amenities that you can ask for in a car. Would I prefer all the signature trim's amenities on a Mazda 3 hatchback or a Mazda 6 sedan? Yes, I would. Personally, I'm not a fan of SUVs, but if an SUV is what you seek, this is a fantastic alternative to the Audi Q7. Mazda's interior design is It's one of the only modern interior schemes that I really appreciate, and it's consistent across the entire family of Mazda cars, something else I really appreciate. Incorporating simple, classic lines reminiscent of some old-school cockpits, a dash wrapped in Napa leather and swaddled in wood. And it all blends seamlessly with streamlined modern tech and features. The tech isn't overly hyped either, or made to be the focal point, but it's very much there for your convenience. It's also easy and usable. Additional amenities on this signature trim include fully powered adjustable Napa leather seats with memory control, perforated as they are heated, dual zone climate control up front with additional climate controls for the rear passengers, Bose premium sound system, and a wealth of aux, USB, and SD card inputs, plus an extra 12-volt socket by the passenger footwell. You also have proximity door locks, rear window shades for sleeping young ones, or just to keep the UV rays off that sweet, sweet auburn Napa leather. Powered liftgate go up with folding third row seating. Powered liftgate go down. Driver assistance package, which includes head-up display, blind spot monitoring, lane diversion warning, parking sensors, and traction control. Oh yeah, and satellite navigation. Oh, and it gets up to speed really nicely. This car does have 3 rows of seats, and when the 3rd row and its headrests are in fact up, visibility out the rear is a little tricky. So if you are not carting around 7 people, I would recommend keeping those things folded down and then raise them back up for those special occasions when you have a few extra guests in the car. My head-up display is telling me that I have some lane diversion warnings, and since I'm going 80 miles an hour on the highway, it is telling me that the speed limit is in fact 65 miles an hour. Thank you, Mazda. I will try to take it easy. I still feel like I have complete confident throttle control, which is something I really appreciate. A lot of modern cars where the throttle is controlled electronically, there tends to be a little bit of a lag or an inconsistency. When I tell the pedal what to do in this car, it does it. That's something you don't get on a lot of modern cars, and this one handles that task very well. I appreciate that. When I said this Mazda CX-9 would make a good alternative to the Audi Q7, I was wrong. I think it's better. I think it looks better. I think it drives better. I think it's more comfortable, and the maintenance costs will be a hell of a lot cheaper. If you are in the market for a fully loaded luxury SUV, this is a damn good choice. If you'd like to come take a look at this car or any other cars we have in our award-winning lot, come see us in El Cajon or visit us online at GoAutoCity.com. Thanks for watching. Auto City.